Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we shall be making marbled fondant. To create a marble effect on fondant, it's very simple. It's just mixing different colors together. In this tutorial, I've mixed 3 different colors together to create this beautiful effect, and I have used gold to highlight it. You can feel free to do it whatever way you want and with whatever colors you want. So let's go there. So I have white, I have black fondant, I have dark blue or royal blue, and ash colored fondant. So I am making my fondant, the white one, into a log, and I'm using my pizza cutter to divide it into 2. The next thing I'm going to do is make my blue fondant a little bit thinner so that I can divide it into 2. Okay, I'm going to be rolling all the other colors this way too to make them thinner, and I'm going to be dividing them and then putting them in between all the logs. So just keep watching. So welcome to my channel again. In my channel, we are all about cake decoration. We love to work with fondant, we love to work with wafer paper, and we only post tested and tried ways of decorating your cake super easy and flawlessly. And if you like what you're seeing, please look below and press the subscribe button, and also do not forget to press the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. And while you're at it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, don't forget to share our content, don't forget to drop your comments. We'll be happy to speak with you and relate with you. We love you all. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our channel. So now we are just going to be twisting them together. Okay, don't overdo it though, just keep putting it together, pressing it together so that the fondants can come together. You know, now they are divided, they are separated, so you need to press it together and bring them together. Voila, our marbled fondant is ready to be rolled. So just wait and see the magic now. So our rolled fondant is almost ready. So I'll just be taking measurement, taking the dimensions that will be suitable for my cake. I'm checking if it is long enough, and then I'll be using some icing sugar, and then using my rolling pin, I will just roll it up for easy carrying so that we can glue it to the cake now.